I brought some amazing rides today, no? Let's see if you can guess them.
Which one is the car and which one is the train? This is the car. Great job! Which one is the helicopter? The buzzing blades in the sky or the bobby boat on the water? Yes, that's the helicopter, zooming high above the clouds. Which one is the bus? The Big Benny with shiny wheels or the Speedy Milo on two? Yes, that's the bus, big and bright, ready to take us for a ride. Which one is the truck? The strong Tommy with 4 big wheels? Or Annie who flies high? That's the truck. Big, strong, and ready to roll. Which one is the submarine? Sammy who dives deep or Bella who floats high?
Yes, that's the submarine. Diving deep and making bubbly friends.
Which one is the fire truck? Freddie, who rushes to help, or Sally, who sails the seas? That's the fire truck, always ready to help and save the day. Which one is the ambulance? Annie, who helps the sick, or Pete, who keeps the town safe? Yes, that's the ambulance, always ready to help and care for everyone. Which one is the train? Tommy on the farm or Tina on the tracks? Yes, that's the train, chugging along, ready for adventure.
Great job, friends! You're amazing at guessing. See you next time for more fun.